Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to go quickly over how to replace a taillight. Now this here is a 2005 G35, but the process is the same for all 2003 and up G35 Coupes. The sedans are different, of course. To start off with, all you have to do is pop open your trunk, and here we have my replacement taillight. As you can see, it's just held on by about 3 different nuts, and you have one plug, and this plug here is for the 2006 and newer taillight. As you can see on this taillight, it has this keyless entry. But to begin with, what we're going to do is pop this part off. Now to get this part off, all you have to do is pull up on it, as it's held in by a few different clips. It looks like 3 on this side with 1 being broken, and 3 on this side, but there's only 1 that's actually holding on. Looks like the other 2 clips are still here in the body. Now when you get to this point, you're going to have a few clips. There's 1 over there to remove that one down there. This one here. There was probably 1 here. 1 here. There. There. And up here. And all you need for this is just going to be a small common screwdriver. Alright, now that I have a small screwdriver, we're just going to come over to this one down here. Just pop it right out. So that one comes out. Now we have to pop this off. One up here. And as you can see, you can move this out of the way and locate your bolts and nuts. So here we have one. Let's see, the other one is located right up there and right there. Okay, so here I have an 8mm socket, and I'm just going to take this one off. Take these 2 off. And this one. And as you can see, the light is loose now, but we still have to unclip this harness here and then feed it through this hole right here. And just like that, your taillight is out. Now, just a quick little comparison. This right here is the 2005 taillight, which was made from 2003 to 2005. In 2006 and 2007, they went to this style of taillight. Slight differences: you have a sharp edge reverse light versus the circular one. This one here has a keyless entry, and it's hard to see, but these ones have a little bit of detail, a little more detail to the lens versus this one here, which is just nice and flat. This one right here is personally the one that I like, and so I'm going to replace the 2 taillights here with the newer 2006-2007 model. Something that I failed to mention earlier is if you're doing the same thing that I'm doing here, which is replacing your 05 or earlier model with a later model taillight, you don't have to worry about that second plug for the keyless entry. Your main plug is the same as the older model's plug, so it just clips right in. Alright everyone, well I appreciate you watching this. If you liked it, I'm planning on coming out with a few more little DIYs on the G35, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.